CB-4 Chainbrite is a 100% biodegradable, natural, plant-based degreaser. It removes the toughest grease and grime build-up from chains and bicycle components. Chainbrite is also an excellent general-purpose bicycle degreaser. Top reviews from the United States. Great chain cleaner. This is great chain cleaner. I alternate between using this and a spray-on cleaner. I use this for my really deep cleans. I use an old pickle jar, thoroughly cleaned, and put a couple inches of park chain cleaner in the jar. I remove the chain from my bike and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. I then agitate the jar to loosen up any remaining dirt and grime. The chain comes out spotless. After removing the chain, I let the solution settle, sometimes overnight. I then use a coffee filter in a funnel to filter out the solution and put it back in the bottle. I can usually recover about 75% after each use.